Now, this is one thing that, that was taught in the chestnut school. Don't just go up and start snipping your product, your herbs and everything. Ask for permission. And yeah, you may think, well, that sounds dumb. Ask for it, can't hear you. If you ask for permission, and to know when it grants you permission is, a gust of wind will come, or a bee will come down and light into it. A plant will nod at you. Things of that nature. And then leave something in return. I don't want to get a lot. Don't take no more than I need. Let's make a small tincture. And I mean, it can be used as a diuretic, stomach aches. You can use the petals, put in your teas for blood pressure, things of that nature. And I will be using 100 proof alcohol. And I'm be doing the folk method. All I'll be doing is filling a jar full of flowers and filling it with alcohol. I was trying to see where that bee landed. It's collecting pollen. One of my little girls down here working. Like I said, we're just making a small little batch. You can do the petals if you want to make a tea. 3 to 4 petals. Helps with blood sugar. But I mean, obviously do your own research, what have you. So, but anyway, we're about ready for the alcohol. That's pretty much all I want. And I just have a very few. I want to put one more. I didn't get a lot. So I know that I wasn't going to be making a lot. Making sure you fill at least over your flour. You want to have some bubblies. Because you want to cover it. You want to cover all your product. Alright, once you get your alcohol in it, make sure it's over everything. And then just don't go all the way up to the lid there. And then you just take wax paper place over the jar, and then you can leave it like that, or you can tidy it up. It doesn't really matter. I always just and then from there you would just gently shake it once a day and wait 4 to 6 weeks. Now these are the standard ball labeling, and they degrade when you wash the jar. You know, they'll go by dissolvable labels. You can see here in the label here, dissolvable, and put what herb you have in there, and put your date on it. Put it in a dark, cool place, and shake it once a day for 4 to 6 weeks. Thank you for watching.